So, the bird story.
Okay. When we got home from the mountains, we were greeted with crap. Bird crap on Ella's car. It seems they had built a nest in the spare tire. So we split up. So we only have one hose, so I'm currently moving the hose from one side of the house to the other. Dad took care of the nest. I prepped the soap. Got my name on it. None of us really wanted to take care of this, but it was a thing that had to be done immediately. So we took a breath and we got to work. No problem. Sorry.
We're good. I'm gonna take these two towels.
Hey! 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 Do I look like a bird?
Sorry, that was not purpose.
Ah! That was a mistake. And you know what? When we were done, it looked good as new. But we didn't know that this was just the beginning.
So, the bird story.
Okay.
The irritation of the day. So it's a bit of an early spring, and the birds are making nests quite vigorously. Birds made a nest in Ella's wheel well for her spare tire in the Jeep and pooped all over her Jeep, which was irritating. So we destroyed the nest. You guys washed the Jeep, and the birds came back, pooped all over it again. So we washed the Jeep again. They came back and pooped all over it again. And we just happened to catch a glimpse of one of them literally fighting with itself in the mirror while it pooped all over the side of the Jeep. So I went and sat outside with the BB gun after I washed the Jeep again. They wouldn't come while I was sitting outside. So after 4 more rounds of trying to catch them and them pooping on the Jeep, I finally came up with the idea to put the tarp over the Jeep.
Oh my. Oh my. Is that white paint or?
Yeah, that's paint.
Okay. It seems to have gotten serious.
And basically get rid of the reflection and get rid of the place where they were landing. And it seems to have worked out. So no more poop on the Jeep. We'll see how it works out tomorrow. If I go out there and there's poop on the Jeep, I'm taking a shotgun outside.
I really walked out and thought all that was bird poop. And that would have been even more impressive. Anyway, that's all for today. Stay smiley.
Smile.